Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge brake pedal feels soft concerns and outlines commonly documented situations where the brake pedal may feel spongy, less responsive, or require more travel before braking engagement. A soft brake pedal can affect braking confidence and may become noticeable during normal driving, repeated braking, or when stopping at lower speeds. The presence and severity of this condition can vary by model year, mileage, braking system configuration, and maintenance history, so it may not apply to every Ford Edge. In documented cases, a soft brake pedal may indicate changes within the braking system that affect hydraulic pressure or pedal firmness. Factors such as brake fluid condition, system wear over time, or component performance under load can influence how the pedal feels during operation. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve inspection rather than assuming a single fault. This may include checking brake fluid condition, inspecting braking components for wear, and verifying that the braking system is operating within manufacturer specifications. Any corrective action depends on the confirmed cause and may differ based on vehicle configuration and usage. In summary, a soft brake pedal in the Ford Edge can result from multiple contributing factors, and the importance of the issue depends on driving conditions, maintenance practices, and overall vehicle condition. Proper evaluation is necessary to determine whether the condition is normal, progressive, or requires service attention. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.